Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and I am stepping outside the MGM Grand here today in Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Boulevard. And man, was there just a storm here. It just blew out of nowhere. Tons of rain, tons of wind. It lasted about 10 minutes. And I just stood in this doorway until it cleared up. And now I'm walking across Tropicana Avenue to visit the Tropicana Hotel and Casino. It's been quite a long time since I visited the Tropicana. It's been at least a year since my last visit. And one of you guys suggested that I revisit it on my last trip, so I did. I really like the Tropicana. It's kind of quiet though, and it does cater to the older crowd, but I like the casino. It's bright and open and airy, and the pool's pretty nice, and the location's not too bad. That being said, prices are pretty much on par with the more inexpensive hotels that Caesars has mid-strip, like Harrah's and Bally's and Flamingo. And if I had my choice and I had to pay the same price, I'd probably pick one of those inexpensive Caesar locations over the Tropicana simply because of their location. Alrighty, let's head inside. Maybe we'll run into Ricky Ricardo. And for some of you older folks, you know what I'm talking about. For those of you who don't know, Ricky Ricardo's club in the show I Love Lucy was called the Tropicana, and quite frankly, I think he'd be amazed at how much the place has changed over the years. I'm just pulling your leg. The Tropicana here in Las Vegas has nothing to do with Ricky's fictitious club, which was in New York City. This is the Red Lotus Asian Kitchen, a traditional Asian restaurant with a Western flair and an unexpected twist on traditional items. And right next to the Red Lotus is Robert Irvine's Public House Restaurant. Boasting nearly 9,000 square feet, the restaurant features a 275-seat dining room, complete with a wraparound bar, open kitchen design, private dining room, and views of the Strip. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And a shout out to Deborah Camacho, who found Clarice the Miss America crown in my latest Atlantic City video, which was a premiere video, a ride on the boardwalk tram. If you happen to visit the Tropicana in the future, I suggest you go to the back of the casino and you'll find escalators that lead to a mezzanine. Take those escalators up, hold on tight, and then follow that long corridor all the way to the back. You'll pass a couple nice restaurants, some great views of the pool, and I believe it ultimately ends up at a business center. Here we have Oakville, a Napa-inspired steakhouse. It features a selection of char-grilled steaks along with a variety of delicious pasta dishes, sides, and desserts. Here we have a view of the pool area from inside the hotel, and as you can see, it's a really nice pool area, especially for a hotel that's, well, not as popular as some of those other strip hotels that have well-known pools. We'll step outside in a few moments and take a closer look at the pool area coming up soon. Hey you, are you enjoying this video? I'm hoping you are, and if you are, why not hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up? As I've always said, it does help the channel out, and quite frankly, it motivates me and gets me out of bed in the morning. And I always said the best way to start the day is getting out of bed, so why not subscribe? Back downstairs, this corridor leads you to a Starbucks as well as the Tropicana food court, which has been closed since the pandemic. I don't know if they plan on reopening it or what they plan on doing with this space, but I'll keep you guys posted if I find anything out. And if you continue down this corridor, which we will, you'll come to the Tropicana buffet as well as the pool area. On the left-hand side, we have Savor Buffet here at the Tropicana, and it's been closed again since the pandemic, and it appears to be like an employee break area right now. It's employees only back there. And again, it's another example of a casino not opening their buffets that quickly and contemplating whether they should reopen them at all. Back outside, you can see, like I said earlier in the video, a storm has blown by. There's leaves and trash blown all around. I'm sure the hotel will clean it up quickly. A couple things upside down, but the pool area does seem to be closed, and we'll get a closer look at the pool as soon as we go over that bridge. There are some nice water features out here, as well as this bridge that leads you to the actual pool, and there's also a nice garden chapel here as well. And just steps away from the newly renamed Legends in Concert Theater, the new Trago Lounge offers a touch of classic elegance with an air of refined modern style. And speaking of the Legends Theater, Legends in Concert is one of the longest running shows here on the Las Vegas Strip. Also, as far as entertainment here at the Tropicana, there's Purple Rain, the Prince tribute show. There's a Laugh Factory here. Rich Little entertains here, as well as Murray the Magician. The Trop has always been a quiet hotel and casino, and considering the Excalibur, New York, and MGM Grand are at the same intersection and those hotels are always busy, I just don't get it. Maybe you have your opinion. Leave a comment below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.